Hi guys, this is Shozy and random thoughts. Okay, I'm cleaning this little bin. It's not really little, but look at all this stuff that came out of it. It's like, what? Am I a hoarder? Maybe. Maybe. Because these are all bags of individually like pens and markers and things like that, which are just, I'm enamored with, okay? I got this from my mom, I'm telling you, because she was like a stationery freak, and now I've become one. That's just great. Okay, so I'm open this bag. This is an awesome bag, by the way. Look at this bag. I open it, and I found all these great things in here. I'm like, oh, this is where I live, okay? You guys think it's my dolls, and no, it's this stuff. So anyway, I know, it's so weird. I mean, look at this. It's like a little eraser that's shaped like a hamburger, and it has never been opened. It's like, oh, that's so cool. And then these little tiny boom boxes. It's like, oh, so fun. Okay, so anyway, besides that, so then I open this little bag, and I'm like, okay, what's in here? This is cool. And I'm like, oh, is there gum in here? Cool. Yeah, it's empty. I'm like, okay, it's okay. And then, so I open this, I'm like, because I have a headache, and I'm thinking, Altoids, maybe there's Altoids in here, okay? You'd think, let's see if I can open it with one hand. Maybe not. And I'm thinking, okay, this would be cool, because I've heard recently that Altoids are good for, for headaches and things like that. I'm gonna have to open it, sorry. You have a real close up of my hand here. Okay, all right, I got it open. And are there Altoids in there? No, there's spiders. It's like, yeah, these are pretty cool spiders, though. I mean, they really are. It's like, well, it's October, so I guess I can use them in one of my doll photos. But it's like, seriously, why do I have them in here? Why are they in this? I mean, there's a little thing of Colgate. That's cool. But it's like, why are they in here? What was my mind thinking when I put them in here? I have no idea. Let's see what else is in here. Okay. So, I mean, it goes on. Oh, maybe this might possibly be Altoids. Let's see. Let's see if this is actually Altoids. I don't want to. No, it's other things like icebreakers and, oh, tea. Okay, there's tea in here. So, almost got Altoids. Not really quite, but Vivarin? I don't know what Vivarin is. What is Vivarin? Does anybody know? Oh, there's some, oh, this is good. There's some, those are, you know what those are, Benadryl. So there's some good things in here, but it's like, why? What does my mind think when I'm putting these little bags together? Here's a pen. It's a really cool pen. Okay. But, and like a scrunchie. It's like, I mean, floss, dental floss. Here's some dental floss. This is good. When excuse my nails, they're wrecked. But it's like, wow. I mean, oh, what is this? Oh, okay. A file. This is good. And yeah, some things, this is a cuticle pusher. But it's like, I just really don't know. Oh, this is really cute. I love this. I must have gotten this at the Disney store or something like that. Oh, I don't know if they had these at the Disney store. Let's see what's in here. I think this is stuff for your nails. I really, really do. But I don't even, nope. It's just an empty wallet with maybe, yep, I knew it. What does it say? Oh, it's upside down. Okay. You are gifted in many ways. That's not what I want to hear. I don't care. I'm just wanting to find my niche. And so these are supposed to go. Oh, there's like several of them. This is for crying out loud. Does anybody ever suffer from this? Does anybody else suffer from this? This is garbage. I'm going to tell you what. Oh, and then I found these. I mean, it's like, seriously. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this, because I'm not enjoying it at all. Bye. Thanks for subscribing to my nonsense.